again, CB over.
RTC, CN 450, 2953 in the lead. We're looking for an OCS clearance. 223.5 down to 112.3 on the Newmarket Sub, over.
Okay, proceed clearance for 450, 2953 south, mile 223.5 to mile 112.3, Newmarket Sub, you all set to copy, over?
I'm all set, dispatcher, ready to go here.
Okay, sounds good. Here we go. There's going to be an item 8 on this one. Item 1, number 713, 713 to 450, 45 knots, 2953, 2953 south. Item 5, proceed from mile 223.5, 223.5 to mile 112.3. 112.3 Newmarket Sub. Item 7, restrictions nil. Item 8, warning. You may encounter the following switches, lined and locked in reverse position. Sighting north, switch, Trout Creek. Sighting south, switch, Trout Creek. Over.
Alrighty, that's an OCS clearance, item 1, number 713. 713 to 450. 45 knot, 2953, 2953 south. Item 5, proceed from mile 223.5, 223.5 to mile 112.3, 112.3 Newmarket Sub. Item 7, restrictions are nil. Item 8, warning, you may encounter the following switches, lined and locked in the reverse position. Siding north, switch Trout Creek, and siding south, switch Trout Creek. Over.
Item 12, complete 1649, 1649, RTC, TC. Tango, Charlie, over.
Item 12, complete 1649, 1649, RTC is TC, and that's copied by Conductor Schmidt. Over.
Alright, thanks, 450, we'll talk to you in a bit. CBO.
Roger, talk to you in Huntsville, thank you. 450 out. Or actually, Trail Creek, we'll talk to you in Trail Creek, sorry about that. 450 out. Authorized mile 112.3 on the Newmarket Sub. 2 switch restriction, sighting South Switch, Trout Creek, sighting North Switch, Trout Creek.